Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's just going to be a quick unboxing. I just got a package in the mail and I'm so excited for it. So look what got sent to me. I got a package from Charlotte Tilbury. Can you believe it? Look at how pretty the box. It's so cute. Alright, let's see what's inside. This is what? Whoa. Oh, I think he's falling. Whatever that is. I don't know what it is. This is the box. Okay. So let's pick up this one that's falling. This is instant turnaround moisturizer. Oh my goodness, it's apply cream to face, neck using my Tilbury Tap facial technique. So this is the packaging. Very luxurious. How do you open that? But whoa. Yeah, how fancy. Wow. So this is a Charlotte's Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisture. Oh, look how pretty. It's so fancy. I like the way that opened. And then they also sent over their full fat lashes. So there's their mascara. Look at the packaging. Packaging, so cool. And this is, I love the dark burgundy. And this is the wand right here. Pretty wand. And then there's a Wonder Glow Instant Self Focus Beauty Flash Primer. Tired, dull skin, and a beauty flash powder. Ooh, I've been hearing so many good things about this one. So this is a instant self focus beauty flash. This is a Wonder Glow. This packaging is out of this world. Seriously. And then shadow pen. Quick fine line shadow pen. Oh, it's an eyeliner. So this is the eyeliner. It's really pretty liner. And this is a lip liner. Ooh, I wonder what color this is. Let's see. Oh, perfect! It's like a nude. Yes. How pretty. So pretty. There's more goodies in here. This is a cheek to cheek swish. Ooh, it's a blush. Oh, I've been wanting to try this one. So this is a cheek to cheek blush ecstasy. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm so excited. And this is a bronze and glow base sculpt and highlight. I like the way they open. One side, other side, and then so fancy. Look at this. Uh-oh. I hope it's not broken. No. Look at how gorgeous. So pretty. And last is a lipstick. Long lasting matte revolution lipstick. I heard so many good things on this. This is a Pillow Talk. Oh yes, perfect. Okay, first of all, let's talk about the packaging. Look at the packaging. Come on, camera, focus on the packaging. Look how pretty, fancy. And this is a color Pillow Talk, but look at the lipstick. Look at how pretty. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Charlotte. Thank you so much, Charlotte Tilbury, for sending me all these goodies. I cannot wait to try it. I'm actually gonna try them tomorrow since it's already late at night today. But thank you so much. I really appreciate all this. I cannot wait to try all these goodies. If you guys want to see more unboxing, let me know. I'll save my unboxing instead of doing it on my Instagram. I'll do it on film for my YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead. I'll see you guys in my next video.